everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message for refund created in Pabbly subscription billing. Here, my objective is that whenever a refund will be created in Pabbly subscription billing for a particular product, automatically I want to send WhatsApp notification to the customer for whom we are creating the refund along with all the refund details. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Pabbly subscription billing in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati for sending WhatsApp template messages. If you want, you can also take any other application over here such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to the customers whenever the refund will be created for a particular product in Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, for sending WhatsApp template messages to customers, here I'm going to use Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. If you want, you can also take any other application over here to send WhatsApp messages such as Interact or AI Sensi. Now for creating this amazing automation, we are going to set up a simple integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Vati, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by tapping pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once you will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, I am here directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows, and we can also create folders here to save the workflow. As I have two folders here, in this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly on this dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we will click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message for Pabbly subscription billing refund. Okay. Now after giving the name to the workflow, we can also select the folder from the drop down in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder, and now we will simply click on this create button. As we have done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Now let's suppose in this workflow, we are taking Pabbly subscription billing in our trigger and Vati through which we want to send WhatsApp messages in our action. And we want that as soon as a refund will be created or initiated in Pabbly subscription billing for a particular product, then automatically the response of that refund should be captured here. And by using that same response, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to the customer who has requested for the refund along with all the details. So here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because whenever the trigger happens, that means when the refund is initiated and the response is captured, then only the message is sent on WhatsApp through Vati. Okay, otherwise not. Now after understanding this concept, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application over here, and that is Pabbly subscription billing. Let's select it. Now the next thing which we have to do is we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select payment refund as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a refund will be initiated in Pabbly subscription billing, then the response of that refund should be captured here, and with that response the workflow should get trigger. Let's select payment refund. As we have done that, we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. We need to follow these instructions step by step in order to connect Pabbly subscription billing with Pabbly Connect. And the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for sending the refund details from Pabbly subscription billing application towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first of all, let us copy the webhook URL. And then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. For this, I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly subscription billing account. This is the account, and here from the left side, we can find the option of settings. Let's select it. After coming on settings, here from the left side, once again, we can find the option of webhook. Let's select it. And here are the several webhooks which are already created for different purposes. Now to add a new webhook, we will click on this add webhook button. And here we need to provide some details. First of all, it is asking us to provide a name to this webhook. So let's say here I'm going to provide the name as Refund. Okay, the next we have to do is we have to select the product. On the refund of what product you want the response. So I am selecting all products over here as I have two products in my Pabbly subscription billing account, round necked black t-shirt and boat storm call. So I want that whenever the refund will be created for both of these products, the response should be captured. Okay, in case if you want to get the response for a specific product, you can select that. Now here we need to select the plan. So here I am going to select all plans. The next is the webhook URL field. So in this field, we need to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And now we need to select the event. Okay, so whatever event we have selected here in Pabbly Connect, that is payment refund, we have to select the same over here. So we will go towards payment section and here is the option of payment refund. Let's select it. Okay, and now we will simply click on save. So the webhook is added successfully, and now whenever a refund will be created for a product in Pabbly subscription billing account, the response of that refund will be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. And here we can find that a test response is already captured over here. So in order to capture the new response, we will simply click on this recapture webhook response button. And now it is showing waiting for webhook response. So we have to do a test submission to capture the new response over here. So we will go back towards Pabbly subscription billing account. And here I'm going to go towards product section. First of all, I'm going to purchase a product and then I'm going to make the refund for that product. Okay. So here I have two products. Let's say I'm going to purchase this round neck black t-shirt. So I will open it. So this is the plan for round neck black t-shirt and this is the checkout page. So let's click on this checkout page. And as the checkout page is open, now I'm going to do a test submission in order to make the payment. Okay. So first of all, let's start with the basic information of the customer. Let's say the customer name is test user. So here I'm going to enter the name as test user. I'm going to enter a random email address of the customer and along with the random phone number. Okay. Now the billing address. Let's say the country is India. And here I'm going to select the state. Let's say Madhya Pradesh. And here, because I'm working in test mode, I have test card details. I'm going to make a test payment with that test card. Okay. I want to make the payment successful. So I'm going to click on this success payment button and the test card details for the success payment is here. Okay. So I'm going to click on this complete order and the order is confirmed. Okay. So after placing the order, what we are going to do here, we are going to create refund for the order. Okay. So we will go to our sales section and here a new order for round neck black t-shirt is placed recently with the email address this. Okay. And now I want to refund this order. So we will click on this three dots and we will click on refund option. And here I'm going to create the refund for this same order which is recently created. Okay. Refund directly to the payment gateway. I have selected this option. The amount of the refund is $399 and here I'm going to enter the reason for the refund. Wrong size ordered. Okay. Okay. And now here I'm going to submit it to make the refund. So the refund is successful and we will click on this OK button and here we can find that the details are added just now for the refund. Okay. So we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and here we can find that as soon as we have created the refund for round neck t-shirt, here are all the details of the refund. Okay. So the response is captured. Now here are all the details of the customer as well as the product along with the reason of the refund. Okay. So this means that we have successfully built an integration between Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect. And now whenever a refund will be created for a product in Pabbly subscription billing, the response of that refund will be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here our objective is to send WhatsApp template message to the customer for whom we have created this refund. So for that we will move further and because I'm using Vati for sending WhatsApp template messages, here I'm going to connect Vati in my action step. Okay. So let's select our action application as Vati. And now we are going to select the action event, that is send template message. Let's click on connect and now we have two options, add new connection or select existing connection. So I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Vati account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Here we have two details, API endpoint and access token. First of all, we need to provide the API endpoint and the instructions for finding both the details are given over here. So first of all, we need to go towards our Vati dashboard and then we have to click on the API docs button and then we will find both the details. So let me take you towards my Vati account and we will go towards API docs and here are both the details. So first of all, let us copy the API endpoint and we will paste it here in this field. The next is the access token. Let's copy it and we will once again paste it here quickly in this field. In the same manner, you have to find both the details and now we will click on save. As we have done that, the Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So after building the connection, here we need to enter the details in these fields in order to send the message. So first of all, let us enter the WhatsApp number. Okay, in this field, we need to enter the WhatsApp number of the person to whom we want to send the message. Our objective here is to send WhatsApp template message to our customers for whom we are creating the refund. Okay. So we have already received the response of the customer in our earlier response, that is from PSB response. We are simply going to map the number over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given. When we will select that, here are all the details. So whatever data we want to map, we can either scroll down to find it or we can even search here in this field. Okay, so I want phone number. I have entered keywords for the phone number and it has redirected me towards customer phone number. Okay, let me select it and it is mapped. Now, when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic and now it is going to change with each and every response. So whenever a new refund details will be captured in Pabbly Connect, automatically the phone number of a new customer will come here in this field instead of this phone number. And in this way, we are going to automate this entire process of sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer for whom we are making the refunds in Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, but in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we need to map the details. Okay, the next is the template name. Now, in order to understand this, again, I'm going to take you towards my Vati account and we will go towards template section. Now here I have multiple templates. In order to send messages for refund, I have created this template refund message. Let me open it and this is the template name. The category which I have selected is marketing and the language is English. Okay. Now this is the preview of the message along with the broadcast title. Whatever we are going to select in our broadcast title is going to be shown in the bold in the header of the message. Okay. So I have used refund initiated as my header. Okay, the next is the body of the message. Hello name, this is to inform you that your refund for the product is initiated and will be processed within 3 working days. Here are the refund details, amount, reason. For further query, you can reach out to us at this email address. Thanks, Team PSP. Okay, so this is the message which I want to send along with all the details of the product as well as the refund. Now for sending refund details to each and every customer, I have used variable in the template, and wherever in the template we have used variable, the details of that place are going to be replaced with each and every response. So here in the template, I have used variable for name, product, amount and reason. So automatically the template is going to be customized for each and every customer and the details in these fields are going to be replaced. Okay. The next thing which we have to enter in this template is the sample content. So after completing the content, the message of the template, here we need to provide the sample content for the variables. So whatever variables we have used in the template, here we need to provide the dummy details, the dummy values which we want in the place of those variables. Okay. As you can find, I have used 4 variables for name, product, amount and the reason of the refund. So I have provided dummy details in each case. Okay. In the same manner, you have to provide the dummy details. You also have to send it for approval, and when it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send multiple template messages. Here my template is approved. So I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to select the name of the template, which we can find is already selected correct, refund message. Okay. The next is the broadcast name. In this field, we need to enter that broadcast title which we have used in our template. So in my template, I have used the broadcast title as refund initiated. I'm simply going to enter the same over here. So we need to enter exact broadcast name. Okay. The next is the custom parameters. This is very important step of the workflow and a single mistake in this field can make the workflow stuck. So here we need to provide the values and the name of the variables which we have used in the template, and that too in the given format. So we will simply copy this format and we will paste it over here. And now we are going to make the necessary changes in this particular format only. So in the place of name, we need to provide the name of the variable which we have used, and in the value, we have to provide the value which we want to use in place of the variable. I have used 4 variables. First variable is for name. So the name of my variable will be name only. Okay. Now in the place of value, I will simply map the name of the customer. So here I'm going to search for the name, and I'm going to map the first name of the customer. This is test. Okay. Now the next variable which I have used is product. So the name of the next variable will be product. Here I'm going to use a comma, a space, and I'm simply going to paste the same format over here. And now in the place of color, I'm going to enter product, which is the name of my second variable. And now here in the value, I'm going to map the name of the product, and the name of the product is round neck black t-shirt. Okay. I have entered it. Now once again, I'm going to use a comma, a space, and I'm going to paste the format over here. The third variable which I have used is for amount. So the name of the variable will be amount. And here I'm going to map the value. So here the value was 399. this is the data amount. Okay, so I have mapped it. Now once again I'm going to use a comma, a space, and I'm going to paste the format over here, and the last variable is the reason. So here I'm going to give the name of the variable as reason along with the value as the description of the refund. Okay, so here the description is wrong size order. So we have mapped it. Okay, now whatever data we have mapped over here is going to replace with each and every response. That is the value of the variables are going to replace, but whatever data we have entered manually, that is the name of the variable, is going to be same each time. Okay, now in the same manner you have to provide the custom parameters, the name of the variable as well as the value in the given exact format. So in order to reduce the chance of errors in the workflow, you will simply copy the format and then you will paste it over here. For entering more than one values, you will use a comma, space, and once again you will copy and paste the format and make the necessary changes in the same format only. Okay, now after entering all the details successfully, let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can find that we have received the response and we have also received the contact ID, which means that the message is sent on the number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, here we can find that the message is received with the header as refund initiated. Hello test, the name is here. This is to inform you that your refund for the product round neck black t-shirt is initiated. Amount of the product is also given as $3.99 as well as the reason, wrong size order. Okay, so this means that the workflow is perfectly successful as we have received the WhatsApp message. Now what we are going to do, we are going to test this workflow once again. Here I am going to make a test payment for another product. Let's say for this boat storm call watch, and then I am going to make the refund also for this same product. And we will see that as soon as we will make the refund in Pabbly subscription billing for this same product, automatically the WhatsApp message will be sent to the customer for whom the refund is created. Okay, so here I am going to select the product and now I am going to go on this checkout page and I am going to make a test payment. Let's say with the name as dummy user. I'm going to enter a random email address, a random phone number. Okay, the payment is made. Now we will go back towards Pabbly subscription billing and here I'm going to go towards sales section and I'm going to make the refund for this payment. Okay, let's say the reason here I'm going to give is defect in watch. Okay, let's click on submit and here I'm going to make the refund. The refund is successful. Now we are going to check on WhatsApp whether automatically without any efforts the WhatsApp message is received to this customer or not. And yes, we can find that once again the message is received on the number which we have entered while making the payment and the name is changed over here from test to dummy. This is to inform you that the refund is created, the amount is changed as 500 and the reason for refund is also here defect in watch. Okay, so this means that the workflow is running perfectly fine. So we will go back towards Pabbly Connect to summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps over here, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Pabbly subscription billing and in action, we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a refund will be created for a product in Pabbly subscription billing, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customer for whom the refund is created without any efforts by using Vati. In this way, very easily, you can create this amazing automation by following the same steps for sending automated WhatsApp message for each of the refund in Pabbly subscription billing to the customers. Here I have used Vati to send WhatsApp template messages. If you want, you can definitely use any other application also. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.